Hey guys, this is Nathan from Altcoin Buzz. We are back in the Bay for San Francisco Blockchain Week. We're here to talk to some projects to see what makes a good token. My man here is...
Hi, I'm Mavis Ledford, CTO of a company called CoinMarketCap.
What do you think makes a good token?
A really great token has good utility. It has a useful purpose outside of speculation, and it's one that actually serves a great purpose, has low commissions, so it can be useful.
So I am here with Wissam. He is the founder of TrueBase. So tell me, what do you think makes a good token?
I think a good token is basically that solve a real user problem. It doesn't really matter. I think users should not even know what a token is. They're here to advance their business or their career. That's what they should be at, and token is just a vehicle for them to achieve that problem solved.
Anna from Fluence. The community, first of all, makes a good token. I mean, it's the both sides. It's from the company and what the community accepts as a incentivization.
Crypto Man Run from CNBC Crypto Trader. Well, we know what makes a shitcoin because we've seen that. And I think a good token is really one that has utility. And when I say utility, it means that it's got to be the only token that's able to be used on the protocol. A real open source protocol, so that there's no conflict of interest between equity holders and token holders. There's got to be one measure of value or one store of value, which is the token, and the token has to be native on the network, and you shouldn't be able to use any other tokens on the network. You take that and you add that to a good protocol or a good network, and you've got yourself a winning token model.
Dude, thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.
Yulia Vlaeva.
All right, so Yulia, tell me, what do you think makes a good token?
Yeah, so it's really about the security. In our age, when there's not a lot of trust in these transactions, this is something that brings, the trust and security back into those interactions.
My friend here is
Alexis Johnson with Light Known Media.
All right, so tell me, what do you think makes a good token?
I'm looking at a team, I'm looking at a roadmap, I'm looking at a real problem with a real solution. Looking at the solution, I'm looking at, scalability and efficiency. So all those components factor into what makes a good token.
Padre Friedman. I'm Managing Director of Zarco Investment Group. We're trying to build giant floating cities.
What do you think makes a good token?
I think a good token is either Bitcoin or not trying to be Bitcoin.
Hey, Sahil Sachdev, founder of Ohm. And so if you can run something that is fully regulated and is approved by all regulatory bodies, you will be longer lasting in our opinion.
Brian Mint at Republic Crypto. I would say a good token is one that incentivizes network activity and incentivizes users on the network to actually interact and engage on the network.
Hi, my name is Myra. I'm with Republic Crypto.
All right, so Myra, tell me, what makes a good token to you?
A good token has excellent token economics.
Great. I love that answer.
Evgeny, co-founder of Fluence. Well, I think the most important is the main function of token. Is it really useful on your network? Like what function it gives to a customer? Like what can I do with this token, and what's unique can I do with this token? And also, like, do I have any staking options, or I can pay with that, or I can stake and earn interest with that?
Hi guys, my name is Jack. I'm from Neo Global Capital, one of the top funds from China.
What makes a good token? What about it will make you invest?
So I'm from an economics and math background, so I'm trying to analyze project from a game theory aspect. The project can only be meaningful if you can use game theoretical to influence the project, to influence the traditional world, because that's why you bring the mainstream people into crypto and make the blockchain meaningful.
I'm Said Gouda. We're an AI-driven crypto investment club out of Berlin. So our thesis, investing into tokens via our AI algorithm, we actually look at 4 different categories. So we look at people, which is the team and the advisors. We look at the crowd sales structure, which are the bonus they're giving away, and other variables. We also look at the community, how big the community is, and we look at the product, primarily the GitHub activity and how big the developer community is stoked about. Yeah, so we found out very interesting insights in 2.18 versus 2.17. The bigger the Telegram community is, the less returns you would get on any token. And in 2.18, what gained a lot of a correlation, or is a very positive correlation, is actually the GitHub activities.
Yeah, man, so good tokens, what I believe is like the core thing that people have to look at is true infrastructural value behind these things that are being built to solve real problems with real financial models behind it, and have like somehow real connection with the developer community, not like tokens and projects who are building in silo, but people that are somehow finding ways to become pieces of the ecosystem.
I think a good token's got to start off good right off the bat. They got to be easy to acquire, they got to be easy to use, they got to use meta transactions nowadays, because that's the hardest shit to put your tokens on top of. That's it.
I think a good token is a project that's actually doing something. You know, maybe they're on testnet. There's, you know, a lockup, a little bit of a lockup, so there's some form of liquidity, and they're actually doing something. And I think any project that's pushing code, you know, pushing out products, they have a token, it'll be worth something eventually, you know. Cool. Yeah.
The three main points that I would have to point out is the team. I think the team is extremely important, the tech behind it, and I think really good marketing is the perfect formula.
Cool.
Good token is one that focuses on community. Community has three parts. So the users, builders, and the speculators.
Hey, so I'm from Berlin. So it's decentralized cloud computing.
Okay.
So I guess like what makes a really good token is something that can really go mainstream. Like current use cases right now, if you see like a typical decentralized app, it's quite slow and it's really difficult to set up. But I guess if you create enough utility for the token such that it's quite easy to use, something like that can really go mainstream and create a lot of value. Yeah.